Gurgaon Sohna Road, we are all aware, is a prime corporate destination and is the address of many luxury housing complexes. And yet, in a stark contrast, when you venture out of those societies, the lack of basic infrastructure is startling. Onitam Ojha speaks to residents of Sohna Road on today's Citizen's Voice.
We are here on Sohna Road, one of the real estate hotspots just near Gurgaon. And here I am joined by a host of residents to share their difficulties which they face every day on this particular stretch. To you, sir, first. You have had horrid experiences just a few days back.
Yeah, ma'am. I am the resident of Parkview 2 Society on Sohna Road, and there are more than hundreds of societies on this road, and I am standing on this intersection. And few days back, along with my grandchildren, and I was held up on this intersection, on this red light for 2 hours. I have no option, at least 3 or 4 hours.
Right.
So I had a very horrified experience. There is water logging is very common here, and that traffic signal does not work. It's not working at all, and the policeman is an unmanned police traffic signal.
Would like to come to you regarding the sewage situation here. The drainage looks really non-existent.
Yeah, absolutely, ma'am. The basic issue is lack of drainage on both the sides. Whatever drainage is here, it is totally choked by mud and all other materials. You can see this drain. This is incomplete. Whenever a slight drain is happening, this water from the drain is going towards the road, and the whole area is getting blocked. And since this is not meant by anyone, the traffic blockage is there right from the Subhash Chowk till this place, and from here till Badshahpur. People are there in traffic almost for 2 hours, 3 hours.
So who, from the authority side, who is supposed to maintain this particular stretch?
Earlier, this was a state highway declared, and the state government was the state PWD government was supposed to handle this. But very recently, a news came that this has been taken over by NHAI, and whatever proposals were here, there were 2 foot-over bridges which were planned. Construction for that was also started, but that has been stopped. People really don't know what is going to happen next. And since this is a national highway now, all heavy traffic throughout the day, throughout the night is going from this road.
So coming to you about the presence of these high tension wires all across.
You see these, you find all on this, the left side of this road, all along, right from the Rajiv Chowk, you find this HT wires and LT wires, overhead this thing. And that is one of the reasons, I think perhaps, that on this left side, they are not making a service road.
Right.
And we had been telling it to the DHBV, and we have represented so many times. We have represented to the Honorable Minister also, and nothing is being done.
There is a sewerage water logging problems also. Severages are there. We have paid huge amount of sewerage money to the government from way back 2008, but the sewerage was installed in 2012. But today we see all the sewerage, all the drainage system is totally blocked.
We paid, after shelling off a heavy price for property, we paid EDC, we paid IDC, we paid education cess, we are paying, the MCG tax. Come out from your area, the vicinity where you stay with your family and children, you see the open nalas around, you see the traffic, there is traffic wala, but he's sitting inside the cabin. And same thing happens, traffic moves from all around the area. This road is not cleared. So the people who stay here, the horrible experience, ma'am, while going to office, you need to shell out around 40 to 50 minute time just to reach your destination to office or the school, which is just 4 or 5 kilometers from your home. But you need sometime 2 hours, 3 hours.
Thank you all. Thank you so much for braving the heat and the dust and the dirt around here. This is emerging as one of the real estate hotspots of NCR. But the question still remains, will infrastructure also keep up with the luxury launches that's happening around this place?